Hi, welcome back to my channel. You still here? So, affiliate marketer expert and the entrepreneur and the real estate agent. Okay, so hi. Have a nice day. So today in this video, I would like to share to you how I manage to full-time everything pick up for you. You will be born out, so you will be born out, and then you cannot think properly how you explain to the video, how you explain to the topic, so it's quite difficult for you, that which is really, you do know everything what you're trying to say, you're trying to take next videos, so it's quite difficult for you. Somehow you have a toddler, so you have to try to fix your mindset that you are a mom before you become to enter the YouTuber. Okay, so before that, of course, you are not a full-time YouTuber yet, because you have to, like me, just for fun, just so for fun only, for everything. So that's why I just, like for fun, like vlogging, just taking a video for her. So I just try for everything for fun. But after that, I already monetized. I reached the 1,000. I reached the 4,000 watch hours. So I already decided to be a full-time YouTuber. So when I decided a full-time YouTuber, so properly, your mindset, you have to fix it that this is the social media, and then you have to explore everything, and you have to expose everything of being who you are. And then some of have a bashers, some have a lot of comments, bad comments, so it's really quite difficult for you as a mom. Okay, so you have a children, so you have to taking care of them, so you have to fix your mind. Okay, so once I already decided, so okay, I decided to be a full-time. So when I decided a full-time, I download every single day, or next following day. If I cannot do today, so I will do by next day by 2 videos or 3 videos. So I will fix by schedule by every day, so that I no need to take the video every day. So that is how I manage myself to be a full-time YouTuber. So here, when I taking the video, from example, I taking the video or bulk videos at the Sunday, so I make about 10 videos or 7 videos for within a week. Okay, for within a week. And then if you really can take it for the few days, another 1 more week, okay, you make a video for another 1 more weeks. Okay, so you get already for 2 weeks. Okay, so that is what I am doing. But it's up to you what is your topic or vlog. So because if vlogging is not easy, just you just go there and show to them, especially the tutorial is not easy for you. Okay, so you have to think properly how you manage yourself. Okay, so that is what I am doing. I do the video for one time. If I have no time to daytime, at the daytime, if I get no time to taking a videos at night when she's sleeping or everyone's sleeping, because nobody is nothing noise your background. So if you really want to fix like very nice background, so you do at midnight, so you do at from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. But these 5 hours, you can make a lot of videos within a week, or within 2 weeks, within 3 weeks, or within a month. Okay, so you no need to think by every day. Okay, so you have to put any schedule so that you can do the every day. You have to upload the every day for the YouTube. That you have to, you of course you are a full-time already, so you have to download the videos most of the time. Otherwise, the YouTube will kick you out. Okay, it will remove you from the YouTube partner program. If you are not upgraded, if you're not updated, they will remove you. Okay, so that is how I manage myself. For next is, you have to take the video already done, the bulk videos. Next is, you do for the next day. For example, today you do the bulk about 10 videos. For example, you do the 10 videos, and then you have to make for the next day, you do the editing, because you cannot do for one bulk and then you do the editing at one time, so it's really difficult for you guys. So you have to think properly. What I am doing is, I am doing now for the bulk, and then for the tomorrow, of course today if I do one for the editing, so tomorrow I do the editing for the bulk 1 week. So you do one time for that day that you already have a time. You do the bulk already before the day. So on the next day, you already do the editing. So you no need to think headache for what is your next. Okay, so you already done in 1 week. For tomorrow, you do the editing for the 1 week. Okay, so that is what I am doing. Okay, so easy for me and easy for me to handle for everything because I already also have for the affiliate marketing online job. So I do the scheduling, so that is how I manage. Okay, so next day I do the affiliate marketing. For next day is I do my editing. So I have to think it properly. That is how I manage. But I'm not pretty sure how they manage the hour, but I do myself like that I manage for 1 whole week or 1 to 2 weeks. So I do the bulk and then tomorrow I do the editing, So of course you cannot do the editing for 1 whole week like that. So if you do have time to every day, as long as you already have a videos only for the editing, just for the editing, like for the art only. So easy for you already, you don't need to think properly. Edit, okay? So you have to do it the bulk for 1 day, for one time. And then next day you do the editing for one bulk also, and then for the next day you have to think for the other than the 3 days, you have to think what is your topic and what is your content for the following other next month or next week again. So you can do that. So easy for you, and you have a content every day at the YouTube channel. Okay, so you no need to headache. Okay, you no need to like burn out. Oh my god, what is my content for the next time? You have to think and research, and then you write down in your book. I have a book, so I write down in my notebook for next following days, and then I taking the videos. If already free for 5 hours or for one day I am free, so I do the video for that day. Okay, so that is how I manage to become a full-time YouTuber and a full-time. So I have lot of things to do, and I have time to chit-chat my friend also. If I do the bulk for next days, I do and took my chit-chat with my friends. Okay, so that is how you manage. Okay, so especially you all have a time for your friends. Of course, you have a time for your family. So it's really benefit. It's a really good benefit if you make the bulk videos for one time. Okay, so you have a time for everything. You have a time for your online job, for your affiliate marketing. You have time for yourself. Of course, so you have time for yourself to taking care, because we have to take care ourselves. Okay, so sometimes we forget to take care ourselves, so don't forget, then you become a pretty or look blooming, look pretty. Okay, so don't forget to take care yourself, then spend time for your family, because life is too short, guys. So spend time with the family, so chit chat with friends, so you have to be happy. If you are happy what you are doing, it will be successful. Okay, it's like what I have done before. Even they say, oh my god, you cannot, I'm going to be failed the time actually, but the only one thing I really force myself, I really fix myself that no, I can do it. I have to become a YouTuber, because I really fix myself that I want to become a YouTuber. Okay, so that's why when they are sleeping sometimes, they sick, so I really need to taking care at middle of the night. So never mind, for next day I do for few videos for in a week. That is what I am doing. So that is the good benefit for the downloading the videos a bulk, so that easy for you to handle for everything. Okay guys, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel. Please subscribe. This is the tutorial channel. You are here, the good for you. If you want to learn the tutorial to handle the toddler for everything, this is the best channel. Please subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification below, then you are updated if I download for everything. Thank you so much guys. Bye.